Selecting jobs for allocation. This video assumes that you have already configured your depots and resources and imported your jobs into My Transport Planner. If not, please refer to the videos covering these two topics. Once you have imported jobs into My Transport Planner, the Allocate button will become available on the route planning screen. Select this to enter the job allocation screen. If you have already allocated some jobs and exited the job allocation screen, then instead of the Allocate button, you will see two different buttons: Continue to continue allocating, and Reset, which will deallocate all of your jobs. For more information, see our video Deleting Old Jobs, which covers this topic. The jobs allocation screen is divided into two halves. On the left is the map, where the jobs you have imported are displayed, represented by red circles. The zoom level will initially automatically adjust to allow you to see all of your jobs. You can zoom in or out by using the controls at the bottom right of the map. You can view more information about an individual job by hovering the mouse over the red circle, and further information will be displayed. At the bottom left of the screen is a key which allows you to view jobs on the map, depots on the map, or both. You can also see rejected or pre-allocated jobs. We cover rejected or pre-allocated jobs in a separate video. On the right-hand side of the screen are your resources, which we cover in our Allocating Jobs video. In order to optimize your jobs, the first thing that you need to do is select them so that you can allocate them to your resources. There are three ways in which you can select jobs, and you can use whichever method you prefer. Selecting List View at the top left of the screen displays a list of the imported jobs. You can edit or delete them by selecting the three dots to the right of the job name. To select jobs for allocation, click on the checkbox to the left of each job. As you select jobs, the checkbox becomes highlighted, and the total quantities for these jobs are displayed at the bottom of the list. You can use this information on quantities to ensure that you do not exceed the volume or payload capacities of any of your vehicles. At the bottom of this screen, there is also a Deselect All button, which you can use to deselect all jobs. Clicking back on Map View takes you to the other methods of selection, which are the Hand Selection tool and the Pen Selection tool. The Hand Selection tool at the top right of the map allows you to select individual jobs on the map screen by clicking on them to select or deselect them. As you select jobs, they become highlighted in solid red. Once again, the total quantities and number of jobs are displayed at the bottom of the screen, together with the option to deselect all of them. When you are using the Hand tool to select, Google Street View is available. You will see the Street View icon at the bottom right of the screen. Before you click on this, we suggest that you zoom in to the job location first. You can then select the Street View icon, drag it onto the relevant point on the map, and release. This will display the location for you in Street View. There is also the option in Street View for full screen, which is accessed by clicking on the icon in the top right of the Street View screen. Click on the button again to return to the job allocation screen. You can change the view on screen by using the standard Google Street View interface. Click on the top left of the screen to exit Google Street View. The third way to select jobs to allocate is by using the Pen Selection tool, which again is at the top right of the map screen. This allows you to quickly select multiple jobs, simply by drawing around them. Again, as you select jobs, they become highlighted in solid red, while the quantities and numbers of jobs are displayed at the bottom of the map screen. Once you have selected one or more jobs using one of the methods we have just discussed, you are ready to allocate them to your resources. This is covered in the next video, Allocating Jobs to Resources.